If you believe the hype, Microsoft 365 can save you time and money and improve your business communication and collaboration processes. I'm Jerry Brimacombe of Light Lever Systems, and I do believe the hype, but only if your systems are set up correctly and your people are trained effectively. Allow me to help you set up your Microsoft 365 to effectively support your business processes and the key business tools that you need. Let's create a shared intranet that your staff and contractors and management and board can all connect to and get the information they need to do their jobs effectively. Shared contact lists, calendars, documents, policy manuals. All of these are within reach now with our Microsoft 365 Quick Start package. Let's get you up and running quickly and get your staff trained so that you can use these amazing tools effectively. To get started, contact me for a free consultation. We'll see if there's a fit. We can start right away getting you up and running on Microsoft 365.
SharePoint and Practice Book and the Intranet Build Toolkit are available at lightlever.ca/books. To book your free Microsoft 365 consultation, email Jerry at lightlever.ca right now.